Because if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. All right? Welcome everyone. In today's video, I'll be meal prepping for fat loss as well as muscle growth. And when you have this type of goal, you have to plan every single thing out to the T, okay? I will take you in the kitchen with me in a few, but first things first, you cannot meal prep without planning. So I've already done that, and I'm just gonna share with you my plan. So first things first, I will be meal prepping for 3 days, and that's because your girl gets bored eating the same thing every single day. So I meal prep 3 days at a time. Next, I'll be making 2 meals and 2 snacks. And most importantly, I have to consume at least 160 grams of protein. So I also have a certain amount of carbs and fat I need to eat, but today we're going to focus on the protein aspect of it. A lot of people feel as if when you're trying to lose fat, you have to get rid of the carbs, but that is not the case. The problem is you're probably overeating your carbs and you're eating the wrong types of carbs. If you want to know more about that, let me know in the comments section and I can address that in a different video. All right, so before we get started, I need to go to the grocery store and then we will head to the kitchen. I will start by cutting some aromatics and add it to the pot to cook it down. But I will take some out to add to my quinoa later, and this is called killing 2 birds with 1 stone. Now I cooked my quinoa in the rice cooker. I don't usually do, but to save time, I did it today. So for this spaghetti that I'm making, I'm actually using ground turkey, and the reason being is I'm only consuming 2 meals, and this is going to be my first meal after my workout, which means I need a fast-acting protein, and I can get that from turkey or ground turkey. And if I wasn't using ground turkey, then I would have to use ground chicken. But today we're going to use the ground turkey. I then season my meat sauce with sea salt, Creole seasoning, and garlic powder. Now, I usually do add some sugar to it, but this sauce is sweet, so I don't need to do that. This right here is one of my secret weapons to getting that extra protein. I use edamame pasta or black bean pasta, and that will take your protein to the next level. To me, it tastes good. Honestly, I don't miss pasta when I substitute these different pastas for regular pasta. And this will pair with my quinoa as well as spinach on the side. For one of my snacks, I'm going to make a shrimp salad. You probably call it shrimp ceviche, and that's totally fine because that's what it is. I'm going to add cucumbers and onions, as well as salt, lemon, and orange. Now, the other snack that I will consume is a high-protein dairy-free yogurt. I will insert a picture of it, and I typically eat one of those with blueberries, and I usually consume my snacks right after I eat my meal. All of the meals that I prepared today are high in protein. I've used edamame pasta and quinoa as my carbs, but they are high protein carbs and they will help you reach your goals. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave me a comment in the comment section, especially if you want to see more content like this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend. Turn those post notifications on so you can see when I upload new videos. And I will see you in the next video.